Listen, if you're broke, unknown, or just starting out and you're thinking, I need 1 million followers before I can make money, stop right there. That's a lie. You know what you actually need? You need to run the exact play I'm about to teach you. If you're an expert, an entrepreneur, or professional, or you own a business at all, this is going to help you. Why should you listen to me? I'm Krista Mashore. I built a business from zero to over $70 million in 7 years. Top 1% coach, affiliate marketer, and top 1% multi-level marketer. So let's dive into the 5 strategies that will flood your business with leads, starting right now. Number 1, you've got to get loud. I mean it, get loud, get out there. You have something good. Does your product or service help people? Then freaking get out there and get loud about it. Now, I know what you're thinking, Krista. People are going to judge me. They're going to laugh at me. They're going to make fun of me. You know what I say to that? Screw them. There are 8 billion people in this world. Why are you worried about 20 negative Nancy's over there? They're going to be talking crap. Who cares? Don't worry about it. That's why most people don't succeed. They're too afraid to get loud. So here's what I call the Bermuda Triangle. You know what the Bermuda Triangle is? I hope I'm saying that right because it's hard to say. Once something gets in there, it can't get out. And that's what you're going to build. A web so tight that once your ideal customer gets in, they can't escape. Here's your Bermuda Triangle. Number 1, Instagram and Facebook. They own each other. So you're hitting both platforms. Number 2, TikTok and YouTube. And number 3, LinkedIn. Listen to me. You have 0 followers and you can still make a lot of money. You could have 10 leads and you can crush it. Don't fight this BS that I need 1 million followers. It's nonsense. Now here's the secret that most people miss. There are multiple ways to show up on these platforms. Posts. These are static images. Okay, this is huge right now. I don't know what shifted in the algorithm, but static posts, just a picture with good copy, are crushing it right now. I used to post a video and get hundreds of views. Now the same video gets 50,000. But a picture that used to get 50,000 views, now it gets 6.3 million views. So post pictures with powerful captions. Make people feel something. Now the next one is Reels, short form videos. These are your short videos that live on your main feed. If you want your Reels to go viral, you need a hook. Something that stops the scroll. Something that makes people go, wait, what was that? Post Reels consistently and I promise you it will get you views. The next is stories. Stories disappear after 24 hours, but they're gold for engagement. Let me give you an example. Okay, when I was selling real estate, I would hold up my phone and say, hey guys, you see this gorgeous listing behind me? It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. It just came on the market this morning. Nobody knows about it except for you watching this right now. It's priced at $650K in the best school district. And let me tell you, this will not last long. So if you want to see it before it hits the MLS, before I get 20 offers, text me right now at the number below and I'll get you in. Now listen to me. I will get so many text messages immediately. How much is it, Krista? Can I stay today? What's my house worth? I don't care what position you're in, coaching, consulting, service products. Everybody needs to know who you are, what you do, how great you are, and where to find you. You've got to get loud, period. Number 2, create a lead magnet. Now, I cannot tell you how many people skip this step and they do it absolutely incorrectly. It blows my mind. So write this down. Give value first before you ask for somebody's contact information. What do I mean by this? What does everyone else do? They run an ad and they say, hey, give me your contact information if you want this free thing. No, that's not the way it works. What you need to do is you need to give value, tons of value first before you request somebody's contact information. And if you give them enough value, they're going to want to give you their contact information. I want you to think about you. With artificial intelligence and the way the world is, aren't you more hesitant to give out your contact information? Exactly. You're afraid to click. You're afraid to give out your information because you're afraid you're going to get hacked. And just so you know, a lot of times you will, so be careful. You get my point. People are changing. Their behavior is changing, so we have to change. Yes, 10 years ago, asking somebody to give you their contact information for a free something worked, but now you've got to give value first. You need to earn the right to ask. Once you earn the right to ask by adding value, then your lead magnet comes into play, and then they'll give it to you willingly. Then ask for their name, phone number, and email, right? They'll fill out the form willingly, and boom, now you've got a lead. And then you have the opportunity to reach out and say, hey, Sarah, I saw you just downloaded my XYZ. How can I help you? Would you like the next thing? Now think about it. Obviously, just that thing alone is not going to transform their life or their entire business. They're going to still need your help. So ask them, did you just download the lead magnet because you're looking for information? Or do you want more information on X? Or do you want to learn how you can work with me further? Let's jump on a quick 15-minute call and I'll help you map out your next steps. Now you're having a conversation. Now the third thing is a DM strategies. And this is gold. DM means direct message, where you actually privately message someone on social media. But here's the deal you have to understand. This is all about sweat equity. Remember, you're not spending money on paid ads. So what do you have to do? You got to put in the work, put in the effort. You have to do something. Here's what I did when I was first starting out. On TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever, wherever my ideal client was hanging out, I find the people who are talking about problems that I can solve. Let's just say you're a business coach like I am. You see somebody post a video saying, hey, day 1 of my 90-day business transformation challenge. Let's see if I can finally hit my income goals. What do? I send them a direct personalized message. And I mean personalized, not some copy and paste garbage. Here's an example. Hey, Jessica, it's Krista. I saw you're doing a 90-day business challenge. Good for you. I can't wait to see your progress. If you'd like, I've got this free resource that can help you speed up your progress. I'll send it to you if you'd like, just letting you know. It's simple. You say their name, you add value, you don't try to sell them anything. That is a personalized DM. Make sure it adds value to them and it's specific to what they are doing. Make sense? Do that. You're going to explode your business quickly. So how many DMs would you do per day? Like 20 to 30 per platform. Don't go crazy and be spammy. Be genuine and be strategic. Time block an hour every single day. You're going to get quality leads that will convert. Number 4, go live on social media and teach something. I know what you're thinking, Krista, I don't know anybody. Nobody's watching me. When I first went live, I had like 1 or 2 people looking and they didn't watch for long. It was probably my husband and my kids. But here's what crazy. Even though barely anyone was watching, I still got to record content. I chopped it up. I repurposed it into reels and shorts and got it out on social media. And then what happened? The next slide, maybe 7 people showed up. 5 were real people. I understand it can be discouraging. I thought, man, I'm never going to make it. But listen, you got to play hard for those 5 people. Give it everything you have. And before you know it, more people are going to start showing up. They're going to start talking about you, telling people, continuing to come back, and you're going to get better and better. You can't get better unless you start. So strategy number 5. It's so powerful. Even if you have 0 experience, 0 social media presence, 0 followers, you can do this and crush it. Here it is. Ask your network. So do me a favor. Grab your phone. Unless you're watching this video on it, go into your contacts. And what you're going to do is you are going to pick your first contact. And if you have the time, go on social media, find something that they've done recently. Did they get married, have a baby, their kid go to college? Did they go to a cool restaurant last night? And send them a personalized video text message. You're going to make sure your eyes look at the camera, not at the screen, not at yourself. You're going to say their name, say something personal that happened to them, and let them know that you are thinking about them. Don't ask for business and don't ask for referral. Just say, hey, Jimmy, it's Krista. I saw that you were watching Krista's awesome YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. I was thinking about you. Have an amazing day. Just kidding, but you get the point. Now, here's the deal. Don't ask for referral. Don't ask for business. The more content that you're creating, they are going to remember that you are in business and what you do. And then they will say to you, hey, how's the real estate market going? Or, hey, how's your coaching business doing? They'll ask you and then they'll be reminded about what you do. And they'll be reminded, do I know someone that's thinking about selling or buying? Do I know someone that needs you as a coach? It will automatically happen naturally. And you won't seem like that cheesy salesperson that's always asking for something. Do 10 personalized video text messages every single day. Go to your contacts, go to social media, mention their name, say something personal. Do not ask for business or referrals. And you will be shocked at how much business comes from that alone. Now, here's the deal. You're thinking, well, Krista, that seems pretty simple. And it is very simple. But guess what? It's not easy because it means you have to actually change your behavior and actually do the thing. And if you do this consistently, 5 days a week, your business will explode just from this one thing. I guarantee it. So if this was helpful to you, here's what I want you to do right now. Like this video, make sure you comment if you can, share it, and you're going to get notified when I do more content that something new has come up. And when you comment, it tells me what you want me to do more content on. All right, so if this is helpful, I'm Krista Mashore. I cannot wait to see you next time. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.